RBP is a tolerance interval calculation, specifically the lower tolerance limit, which is based off of predetermined confidence and reliability. RBP is or rated burst pressure, is a standard metric to apply to balloons, or a standard specification to apply to a balloon that ultimately will get built into the IFU for the actual device. This is important to ultimately provide safety and efficacy to the balloon and the final product. It's essentially the safety factor for the balloon. So a common question is, well, how do you actually calculate the rated burst pressure? The rated burst pressure is based on the average burst, the standard deviation, and then a K factor. The K factor is determined by the sample size as well as the confidence and reliability that were predetermined. The most common confidence and reliability is 95% confidence and 99.9% reliability on a one-sided table. So from there, once you have your sample size and you also have the confidence and reliability, you can then choose your K factor. That K factor is multiplied by the standard deviation and then subtracted from your average burst. Now, from there, you might ask, okay, well, if I have a rated burst pressure of 14 atmospheres, how do I then determine if I want to have a rated burst pressure of 14 atmospheres, how do I determine my average burst? What I've found looking through a bunch of data is that approximately the standard deviation divided by the average burst is about 6%. So by removing one of the unknown variables, we can then rewrite the calculation to figure out what our average burst needs to be based off of a desired rated burst pressure. So once you have all of that information, once you know what rated burst pressure you want to achieve, and you know your confidence and reliability, and you understand your lot size, you're able to then ultimately come back and choose an average burst pressure that will meet your design inputs. From there, here at POBO, we can then help you select material as well as double wall thickness for your balloon in order to properly design a balloon right out of the gate that's going to meet those design inputs.